All right, so I got a pair of boots here. These are the Resistol Ranch. I'm gonna go ahead and show the brand in here, see if it'll focus in on that right here. So yeah, Resistol Ranch. You can tell it's a very quality made boot here. And what's going on here is a pretty common problem after wearing your boots is you'll notice this around the tip of the toe is going to show some wear. So, and on a dark colored pair of boots, it really shows. So I'm just going to show you how you can easily clean these up, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you could see that it's got that little wear mark right here. And what I'm going to do is, right off the bat, you want to knock off any dust. And I'm going to start it with a dark burgundy cream polish. And I really like this brand, the Turago. I'm going to leave some links down below. But I really like this brand, especially for the price. Stuff works great. And what I'm going to do is hit it with the cream polish first, and then go over with a dark wax polish and darken up that toe. As I could already see, it's already darkened a little bit, so I'm not really changing the look of the boot. And the reason why I'm not putting that dark stain wax on it first is because this is going to absorb anything I put on it, and I don't want it to be a black tip. So all right, so I'm just going to let that sit there just like that. Let's go ahead and work on the other one. So now I'm just going to go ahead and buff this. You can still see the mark there. And go ahead and use the Lincoln stain wax polish. And what I'm doing is I'm going over that whole toe area, and it's going to darken the tip of that toe. I'm going to go ahead and what I like about the Lincoln stain wax is it does a really good job of penetrating that leather. So, all right, let's go ahead and Got a nice little shine on there as well. Let's go ahead and work on this other one. And let's see here. All right, looks much better. As you can see, this one was the worst one, but you could still see it up close, but just a quick do-it-yourself video and you could see you could repair that toe. Just did a really nice job. Just remember, hit it with the cream polish first. Try to match the color up as much as you can, and then darken the toe area with a stain wax polish, which will also generate a really nice shine.